Childcare can be a problem for many parents, and it just keeps rising.
But now North Dakota's Early Childhood Division is taking grant applications to help providers looking to open up or working to stay open.
Valley News Team's Alex Larson learned how this need for childcare and the workforce shortage go hand in hand.
Childcare really is, a big part of the infrastructure, and they really need to support childcare so that people can be in the workforce.
According to the state's child care profile of Cass County, there's room for about 11.5 thousand kids in child care facilities. But as most parents are finding, those spots are full.
In a facility, there's a maximum group size that they can have in a classroom. So you can only have so many. A lot of them right now in facilities aren't able to meet that maximum group size because they can't staff it. So they might only have one teacher instead of two, so then they have to have less kids.
It's a unique problem, and it's a challenge we have to balance given kind of inflation, workforce participation, early childhood.
The wait lists are long, and if you do get in, it can be expensive. The average cost for state licensed childcare in a center is around $10,000 a year.
We've had a lot close in the area. And we've actually had a lot across the state. There's probably been over 100 programs that have closed in the last 2 years in the state just since COVID.
Lately, Cass County has seen many people looking to open their own child care programs.
People that are wanting to open are wanting to do it because there's a lack of child care and they see the need.
Wages are being driven up, and simultaneous to that, we have massive amounts of open jobs across the country, 30,000 or so here in North Dakota, with the numbers projected to increase, given all the economic activity. So we have to solution this child care challenge.
The new state grants are hoping to alleviate some of the stress for providers with both money and staff.
With the Workforce Development Council, as well as Early Childhood Education Task Force, to come up with unique ways, because we're an agile state, to tackle this problem and make sure we invest money in the areas that yield the highest return on investment and improve not only education for children, but also the workforce situation in the state of North Dakota.
Alex Larson, Valley News Live.
Lamont says like any other program, it'll take a few months before everything will be approved to start sending out those grants.
We'll have a link to the page where you can apply for a child care grant on our website, valleynewslive.com.